Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply for a Walmart credit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, account, and your shopping cart in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for a Walmart credit card. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to go and of course do it, you can visit the Walmart credit card page. So basically you can follow this link that I'll be giving you now. So basically you can do it, just go to the Walmart credit card page, create your account of course, and fill out the application. You click on apply now and follow the instruction to complete the application form. Then submit and wait for approval. You have the in-store application. You could visit the Walmart store, go to the customer service desk or the jewelry counter. In-store, of course, request the application, ask for credit card application form, complete the application form from your personal and financial details, hand it to the staff. And the requirements for this are that you must be 18 years old, you must be a valid US mailing address, you have valid SSN is required, a credit card score of around 630 or higher is typically needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.